Hello, welcome. My name is Madali, aka the Sober Healer, and today I'm going to teach you and show you how to use the Starfish breath as a mindful tool to ground into the breath as an anchor to be able to be more present in this moment here and now. And again, in case you need a reminder, the definition of mindfulness is paying attention to here, now, this present moment, including emotions, thoughts, and sensations, and paying attention to that without judgment, with acceptance, with compassion, kind, loving awareness. And so here we go. Starfish. Let's get our hand out. This is our starfish. And essentially, whenever we move our finger up, we're going to inhale, and whenever we bring it down, we're going to exhale. And we're going to do that all along the hand. And I invite you to go as fast or as slow as you like with this activity. You can play with really slow, and you can play with fast. So remembering to inhale and exhale at each change of the direction. So let's do that together. We're going to start at the base here, getting ready. If you want to look at your hand just to see what's going on, that's a really great moment of awareness for mindfulness. So let's get started. Breathing in, going up the finger, and pausing for a millisecond as we change the inhale to an exhale as we go down the finger. And again, inhaling as we go up the finger, tracing the finger, exhaling as we go down, going back up, breathing in and down, exhaling and breathing in as we go up and breathing out as we go down, breathing in as we go up and down. Let's do that again super fast. So I'm going to do it with you, and I'm going to trust you to do it on your own. Let's get started. All right, and let's do one more super slow, and I'm going to do it with you, okay? Ready, set, go. Awesome. And if you want to practice that on your own, you can try tracing with your other hand, your non-dominant hand, and see how that feels in your body and getting curious about that. That definitely can be a mindful practice on its own. And I really encourage you to practice this multiple times a day, whether you're having a wonderful day or a not so wonderful day, in moments of joy and in moments of maybe sadness, inviting this practice in so that you can build that mindfulness muscle, that presence and that breath muscle to support you navigate whatever you may be moving through. And so I think that's pretty much it for this video. Let me see if there's anything else that wants to be said. And if you are not available to like bring your hand out and do the starfish breathing, maybe you're in public or whatnot, you can always put your hand on the table. I'm gonna pretend this is the table and trace it there. Or maybe you trace something else. Maybe there's something on the table or in front of you in any place that you're in, and you can trace that with your finger as you inhale and exhale. And what this will do is it'll allow us to anchor into the breath as well as have this like coordination connection with the brain and the finger. And so this is all just helping us anchor into the present moment. All right, thank you so much. Again, my name is Madali, aka the Sober Healer, and I'm appreciating you so much for watching this video. Until next time.